Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ali Cake, and in today's video I'll be showing you this makeup look. So it's kind of like a get ready with me while I get ready for Halloween, because I'm going as a nurse, and this is the makeup that I did. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching.
So I went in with the red from the All About That Face palette. I'll put a picture up on the screen so you guys could see what palette I'm using. But you could use whatever red that you like, and you don't even have to use this look just for Halloween. You could do this for like any other look that you would like. But yeah, this is just the eye look that I used, and I'm spreading that red all over the lid and to the bottom of my eyes.
Okay, so for the hair now that is rain, I'm going with my eyeliner. I'll go in and show you guys the liner, and I will zoom up for you all to see it precisely so they could follow along.
Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. This my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I become. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. This my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the nothing I
Okay, so now I'm going with some black eyeliner, and I'm putting that in just by this part, and the front part I'll put white liner. Lips. Okay. So for the lips, I'll go in and do black and red ombre because that is my favorite. And yeah, so let's go and outline with black and then put my red lipstick in the middle.
Frozen inside.
I finished my makeup and I am going to put on my nurse outfit and come back and show you guys the final look, and I'll show you guys the full body. I'll show you guys a clip of me full body with this outfit. So I'll be right back. Okay my loves, this is the final look, final makeup look. I have on the nurse outfit, my headband, everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy your Halloween and be safe. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.